Hello everyone, this is Frank from Quiz and Survey Master. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to install and quickly set up your Quiz and Survey Master plugin. So to get started, let's add the plugin. Once the plugin's installed, let's go ahead and activate the plugin. And once activated, we'll have a new Quizzes and Surveys menu. This is where all of our quizzes and surveys will be. So let's go ahead and add a test quiz. In this table, you'll be able to see all of your quizzes and surveys. You can edit the name. You can view some shortcodes, which we'll go over in just a moment. You can see how many times the quiz or survey has been viewed and taken, and the last time you modified it. So let's go ahead and edit our quiz here. You can create a variety of pages. And then in each page, you can have different questions. So let's go ahead and add a true or false question. And true or false. Quiz and Survey Master has 3 different grading systems. You can set it to be not graded, or you can set it to be points-based, in which case you would fill in these values, or you can set it to be correct or incorrect, in which case you would want to check which answer is correct. So we'll use correct or incorrect. We'll mark our true answer as correct. But from here, you could create additional pages or additional questions. And then once we're done, we'll click Save Questions and Pages. You may also want to get some contact information about your user. So in our case, maybe we want to name an email field. So we're going to have a field for your name and maybe a field for email. The plugin can also send out emails to the users and admins. So let's go ahead and customize our admin email to maybe new results. And this plugin uses something called template variables to allow us to dynamically add information from the results. So in this case, we're getting the user's name and email and their questions and answers. You can also customize the email sent to the user then. We also have different emails based off the score the user receives. So we could add new emails, and then there will be new spots to enter the score above and below that email will be sent for. So let's go ahead and save the emails, and then we can customize the results page. The results page is the page that gets seen by the user after they submit their responses. So we can use all of our template variables, but for now, we're just going to keep it easy and just say thank you. So let's go ahead and save our results page. On the preview page, we can see what our quiz currently looks like. So here's our 2 contact fields we created, and then our question. So we'll go ahead and submit this, and we'll actually do it twice, just so we can see a couple results in here when we view the results. Now, since this is a quick getting started video, we're not going to go too far into the individual options. You can customize a bit of the text that the user will see on the text tab. You can also customize a lot of the different options and settings and features using the options tab. Additionally, if you were to get some more of our other features or premium features, they may create new tabs here as well. Great, so let's look at our results for this quiz. So there's our 2 results. And then if we were to view one, we'll see the name and email that I entered, and then we'll also see the 1 question and the answer that I provided. Once you have your quiz or survey ready to be seen by your users, there's a few different ways you can add it to your site. So you can use the shortcode to put this quiz somewhere in a post or page or some other place that takes shortcodes. You can use the link shortcode to create a link that'll take the user to the quiz or survey. You can also view the quiz or survey and then copy that URL to maybe send out to your email list or your social media followers or some other link somewhere throughout the site or another site. If you're using the new block editor, you can edit your posts or pages and use the new QSM block to add your quiz or survey to that post or page. And lastly, if you go edit a menu, you can use the new quizzes surveys section to add one of your quizzes or surveys to your navigation or other menu. Great, and you are good to go to get started with your quiz or survey. If you do need any assistance, we do have an extensive documentation, which you can find on the help page and clicking on the documentation link. You can also reach out to us using the Contact Us page on the help page as well.